Hey guys, welcome back to the Cathay Pacific with Updates YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto Manigo Ignacio speaking, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Oscar Paracuy. And today we'll be talking about the Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Beijing, which is exactly 2 nights ago. And then, 2 mornings ago. And then she took her flight number 63820, as you can see here. And then she did the great circle distance of 1,907 kilometers. Hmm. And an actual flight time 2 hours and 45 minutes and chapter 70 degrees. The regards to the instructions, Robert Lima Alpha Romeo. Mm-hmm. And then this aircraft took off from the 7 right at exactly 2 a.m. local time and landed in Beijing Capital International Airport at exactly 4:45 a.m. local time. And then she's currently staying there for maintenance. And apologies for the late update because I was quite busy. It's only now that I saw it. Apologies for this. So for the details of Pablo Lima Alfa Romeo, can you check the previous video about this bird? So that's a wrap for the video, and I hope she doesn't stay long there. And she's currently under maintenance in Beijing. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Raphael Hui. Bye guys and see you in the next update.